Sarah got to the entire slice of pizza. Show them, Sarah. Show them that you want pizza. Entire slice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good afternoon, and
Good night. It sounds like a German. Good night.
how does that sound like German?
Because they say good for the
Oh,
guten
good.
Tag.
Okay,
It's a
okay,
good
okay,
like
okay.
G-U-T. Good.
Yeah.
Good night.
Say good morning to the faves. Say good
Morning.
You
Night,
guys, it's 3 of us minus 1. Where is your sister?
Sleeping.
So,
You say sleeping or selling?
Sleeping.
Okay.
you guys, Sarah is sleeping, and it's only us. We're just relaxing and waiting. Who are we waiting for? We're having a special guest today, and it's a surprise that I don't know.
Papi's coming.
That's what he thinks. So let's see if he's right. He's been guessing from morning trying to figure out who it is. He says Auntie Jen. He asked if it's my cousin Marianne, and he asked if it's Papi because he knows somebody he loves. So he's stuck on Papi and he's not changing his mind. You're not changing your mind about Papi?
No, I'm not.
So you think you're right?
Yes, because I think he's a boy.
You think he's a boy?
Yes, you.
So we're
yes.
gonna see if you're right. We're gonna see if you're right. He's been so excited that he can't wait to see who it is. So we're waiting because the guest who we have arriving, I guess you guys will know who it is by the title of what this vlog is gonna be. The guest that is coming gonna have lunch with us. I can't say the name because Tyler will know who it is. So if you guys haven't met this person before, you guys will meet this person for the first time if you're new to the fam bam. So yeah, that's what will be going on today. We'll be having some good time today, some well needed. Anyway, you guys, Sarah is taking a nap. We're just here lounging around because we have nothing else to do until our guests arrive. Well, it's to act a fool. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel already. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for though? Click the notification bell and make sure you guys go and subscribe to my workout channel at Body After Baby. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys through the rest of today. Look at these two. They can't play, see? Anyway, guys, we're out. We'll see you guys when our guest gets here. Our guest has arrived, and it's my father-in-law, if you guys guessed right. So you guys gonna meet him today if it's your first time. If you're partially new to our channel and you've never seen my father-in-law before, he's here. He'll be here with us until tomorrow, so you'll meet Babe's dad. So we are doing barbecue for lunch right now outside. I'm getting some salad ready and going to have that with some fries and some barbecue chicken and pork and sausages. And Tyler is pretty excited because his grandfather is here. You guys, if you're one of those persons that been with our channel for a while, you know that Tyler loves his grandpa. Love his grandpa, love his papi. So yeah, it's going down around here. It's always good to have family visiting, especially that mine are so far away and I don't get to see them ever unless I visit Jamaica. So it's good to have Babe family here when they can come around. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So I'm making some salad. Let me show you guys. quick salad. I'm gonna add a little corn to that.
Vous savez, le bonjour d'origine, ils sont partis à. La campagne humaine. Tous les gens partent de la mer.
He's happy to see Grandpa. You're happy to see Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want.
And Sarah? Sarah is chilling.
C'était rien.
Let it go. Come.
Noam. Ouais. Non, Sébastien, il doit manger lundi soir.
The boy.
Quand il sera rentré. Ok, va bien.
Dis bonjour, papy. Grandpa.
Ouais, mais.
Hi. 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 Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hello. Hello. You wanna see? Look. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Barbecue is going. Table set.
T'as une.
You know me have to catch this. Yes. Me know it never da go last. It wasn't going. She frisky there yesterday. I know that wasn't gonna last long. That's 3 generations: grandpa, papa, and grandson, granddaughter. What? You guys, we are out for a bit. We went to Pizza Hut, pick up some pizzas. Yes, big cheat day today. And now we're heading to the beach to sit and eat that pizza and have a chill afternoon. So let's go to the beach, honey child. It's Sarah's bedtime. So I fed her dinner before we left home and she wants to sleep right now.
Bon jeu.
C'est too small for her.
Voilà. Là oui. Là, tu peux le mettre.
Sarah got the entire slice of pizza. Show them, Sarah. Show them that you want pizza. Entire slice.
Sur le sac là. Tu veux, je la fous.
Oh, moi c'est fini.
Je donne à Tyler pour finir.
Sarah coming for it. Honey, don't let she put the entire thing in her mouth. Just squish a piece, give her.
No.
No. She wants chicken. Oh, impossible. I would have to let her stay in that stroller. She put in chicken in her mouth. Squish it. Chicken, chicken. Sarah is ruling everybody for the pizza. She wants pizza and she wants a big piece of pizza. She is so funny. But we're having fun out here. A few people on the beach, but there's space out far apart from each other, so that's good. And Tyler is enjoying his pizza. Papi enjoying his. Baby enjoying his. I have one slice and I can't have any more. I have 2 pieces of the cheesy bread. I'm done. And Sarah, little goodie, ruling everybody. Yes, Ty? Ask Papa.
Papa, après avoir de la glace.
Tu vas aller prendre de la glace après?
Oui, j'ai envie que...
But you know him. Look at Goody in the stone. No. Look at her in the stone. Let her be free. She's having too much fun in the stone. I can't take my eye off her for a second. Look how she dirty. Come.
Comme j'ai travaillé la moitié d'une année à l'HTP, j'ai eu une demi-année à la retraite.
One is here and one is all the way down there. Look at Tyler.
Donc pour eux, ils estiment que cette année, je l'ai gagné pareil. Et ils m'ont mis à... Hein? Prélèvement à la source, c'est juste une avance. Si ton prélèvement à la source, si ton taux n'est pas le bon,
tu peux baisser le
changer. Mais ça, en fait, c'est juste ton taux, c'est juste pour le entre guillemets approximateur. Le jour où lorsque tu déclares tes impôts, parce que tu continues à les déclarer, pour que tu n'aies pas entre guillemets à remettre ou à eux à te rembourser. Ce que je veux dire, c'est parce que moi, quand je l'ai inscrit à la
He's so wet. The reason why you have to walk with change of clothes for your kids.
100 ou 200 balles.
The water is nice. You having fun? Oh my God! Look at his bottom. Turn around, let me see your bottom.
Donc j'ai dit après.
We're topping off the evening with ice cream. Let me see if I can catch the boys. Tyler, let me see you. Ooh, your tongue blue. Everybody having ice cream. Blue tongue. Go on. Tyler went to the water, so his pants is wet. I'm gonna have to change him before we go back in the car. No. Or having ice cream. Don't tell nobody. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see.
Oh, you're like green.
Sarah, you want some more? Yummy.